Hello and welcome to Modern Thatched Living. Over the last few days we've had some quite high winds, and last night this old fruit tree came down. It's the first tree this year. We normally get at least one tree somewhere come down each year. Anyway, I thought that I'd get started with clearing this, and it's going to be dark before too long, so I'm not sure how much I'll get done tonight, but over the next week or so I'm sure that I'll just get this done. Anyway, let's get on with it. Right, we've now got all the brushwood into a pile over here, and I need to chip it up. The logs have gone into the log shed. I've got the wood chipper out, and I need to fill it up with fuel. Now this is a high-grade octane fuel. It burns very cleanly, so you don't get any deposits, unlike fuels like the petrol that you get at an ordinary petrol station, which has things like ethanol added as anti-knock agents. So I tend to use this on all the machinery that I've got around the place, particularly when they might be standing around for several months before being used again. And I find that generally they start pretty quickly, and I haven't had any problems so far in the last 4 years from when I started using this. Anyway, I need to fill up the wood chipper now and get on with it. On. Oh, well, I hope you've enjoyed this episode of Modern Thatched Living. Yes, not much more to say, really. Chipped a lot of windfall. Look forward to seeing you next time. Goodbye.